It's on 40 in my right car. Bitches change, they act like I ain't all this.
Hello, good morning. If you're new here, karibu sana. I go by the name Vivian Odhiambo, aka Fashion Guru Kenya, aka Mtoto wa Homa Bay County. So today we are doing, today we are baking, and we're baking the orange flavored cake. I'm just going to show you an easy way to do so stay tuned. And please don't forget to subscribe, click on that notification bell, and also do follow me on Instagram at Fashion Guru Kenya. Ingredients you require: all-purpose flour, baking powder, an orange, 4 eggs, vanilla essence, cooking oil, 1.5 cup of sugar. That is if you're extremely sweet tooth, but 1 cup of sugar is enough for you. So let's get baking. First thing first, we are going to get the zest ama ngozi ya machungwa. Then after that, we are going to squeeze the orange so that we can get the orange juice, and I'll show you how we are going to mix it up later. Squeeze, 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 squeeze until you get that juice, all of it. So here is the juice that we got. We're going to set it aside, and I'm going to show you later where we're going to put it sour. So 1 cup sugar, as I had said earlier. Then we are going to put in 4 eggs. So now we're going to beat them together until they remove a white foam. This is how it's supposed to look after beating it for several minutes. Sour. Then add some cooking oil and beat it again until it looks like this. It's time to put in the vanilla essence. I'm going to use the bottle top to measure, and I'm going to put in just 2 of those sour. I'm going to set this aside and then start preparing the flour or the flour. In a bowl, put in 2 cups of all-purpose cooking flour or flour. Then add in 1 tablespoon of baking powder or 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Mix them well together until you're sure they're all mixed. Add the cooking flour to the ingredients that we had made earlier and then mix them together. Now it's time to add in the orange juice that we had set aside earlier. This is what makes it the orange flavored cake. And then we are adding the zest or the ngozi ya machungwa that we had grated earlier. Now we're going to mix everything together and then they'll be set for the oven. So we are going to bake in this sufuria. I'm just putting in some oil. You can put in blue band or any type of oil so that the mixture doesn't stick. After that, pour in the mixture and then put it in the oven. We set it at 55 minutes. That was 10 minutes for preheating, 45 minutes for cooking, but we added some time. So that means you have to keep on checking on it and see if it is baked. Add some time if needed. We had a crack there while trying to turn the cake, but I promise you the cake was delicious. It was nice. Plus, I heard that it is rude to cut cake while it's still hot. Please don't be like me. Wait for it to cool down for at least an hour. Sour. So let me see you on my next one. Love you. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe.